Since we are working with MODS data that are acquired with a slit that is actually composed by 5 different slits, I can show you how SIPG packs 2D spectra of different slits in the reduced file. If I open the reduced file with the tool called Show Slit Position, you see that the final file is made up by the 2D spectra of each slit ordered by increasing slit number. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you want to understand to which slit corresponds a given number in the row frame, you can open a row file with the Show Slit Position. And you'll see here that the different slits are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, this is pretty straightforward in case of a long slit, but this tool can be very useful in case of MOS observations, where the association between the slit number and the spectrum can be not so trivial.